Rasmus in the blue corner, taking on Oyotoyo, representing Tajikistan in the red. Rasmus switching stances. Very nice body kick landed there from Tajikistan. Nice entry from Rasmus, switches that single. Nice little dump there as well. Needs to be careful of his neck. Oh, tightens this up now. Gets the tap from the bottom. That no-arm guillotine, modified choke. Speedy from Team Tajikistan. One little fatal error from Rasmus. Overextended on that takedown, left his neck out. Capitalized on by Tajikistan. Beautiful submission. Team Italy represented by Simon in our blue corner, taking on Team Kazakhstan in the red. Mahmoud Ali in the red corner, trying to throw that jab low kick, misses with both. Better success that time. Misses the mark there on that low kick, just clips the cup. Team Italy. Simon will have as long as he needs to recover. I think it's a maximum of 5 minutes for a low blow. Will not be able to communicate with his corners. But I'm sure he's raring to get this action going. These young athletes been waiting all week to compete. Simon gets it going now. Spinning heel kick to the gut. Nice outside low kick again from Kazakhstan. Mahmoud Ali, fancy with the kicks, going low, spinning, going to the body. That outside right kick though, the most effective so far. Bit of an obvious shot from Simon.
From the blue corner, South Africa versus Ireland in the red corner.
Ooh, like that outside kick from the clinch. Ooh, catches that leg, gets that takedown. But beautiful work from Italy to get back to their feet, getting on the body lock. Looking to try and get to the back. Needs to be careful of the hips. Simon doing a great job of closing off the space. Here's the 10-second cracker. Desperate to try and convert this takedown, maybe a little bit too desperate. Gives up position. And that first round comes to a close. Intriguing battle between these two men. Back and forth in the striking. I'm liking the low kicks from Kazakhstan. But distance control and movement from Simon out of the Italian corner has been impressive too. And our second round of action. Italian corner asking for low kicks in between rounds. And Simon lands one straight away. Needs to be careful he doesn't go to the well too many times for that and get taken down. Ooh, nice outside low from Kazakhstan. He sent it up well with the boxing, going to the body. Spinning kick attempt again from Simon. Oh, nice lead leg teep. Kazakhstan happy to hold this fight on the feet. Well, as I say that, he shoots a single leg. Nice defense from Simon of Italy. Right hand lands to the head, but accidental. Apologized straight away. Wasn't a big shot either, but that one to the cup was. Second time. That's what we get sometimes when we're changing stances, southpaw, orthodox fighters. This one seems to have damaged Simon a little bit more than the last one. Sitting down, taking deep breaths. Simon works his way back to his feet. Looks ready to go to me. And we can continue. Nice defense here with that deep underhook from Kazakhstan. Kick into the legs after clinch. As that second round comes to a close. blow kicks, but Italy on fire now, going to the body. Oi, beautiful combination. All three of those shots landed from Kazakhstan, 2 to the body, 1 on the outside kick. That's what I like about the Kazakhstani fighter, Magomed Ali. He throws very well to the body and then ends up with a kick. He ends his combinations going low, outside kicks. Mixes his hands and feet well together. Kazakhstan with a bit of a lazy shot. His entries have not been that impressive in this fight. Dominance here, nice head position from Kazakhstan. Double underhooks. Gives up that underhook on the left side. Good shot off there to get the reversal. Another shot. Another sprawl from Italy. Aggressive third round this. Catches that leg. Manages to go to the back. Has a body lock here. Outside read. But Italy ending the mount. Great balance displayed by Simon. And great takedown defense as well to finish out our third round. Both fighters had their moments and showed some great skill. Interesting to see how the judges have it. Somewhat surprising to the Kazakhstani team.